Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Premanand and I'm going to show you three creative ways to harness the power of Bard, Google Bard. It's very simple actually. Let's go to the Bard screen. To get the Bard screen, all you have to do is type bard.google.com, bard.google.com, and automatically you will get the Bard prompt. Now let's learn something new. Simply type in a question or a prompt and Bard will generate a summary of the topic complete with links to additional resources. Let's try this. For example, we will try the basics of tennis. Also, we will try more about Mount Everest mountain climbing. Suppose you want to go to Mount Everest and you want to do a little bit of climbing. Let's see how Bard can help you with these two. So the Bard prompt is ready and I'm going to type basics of tennis and I press enter. Automatically Bard does a scan of the materials and voila, basics of tennis. You have the equipment, the court, the scoring system, and also steps to play tennis. Now let's go to the next one. I type in the prompt more about Mount Everest mountain climbing. I press enter and automatically it searches the vast information available in the internet, and there goes about Mount Everest, the risks and costs, the challenges of climbing Mount Everest, the weather conditions, the lack of oxygen in the technical difficulty, and all these things. And it even says that despite the challenges, Mount Everest can be a rewarding experience. Number two, let's unleash creativity with Bard. Bard can also be used to analyze images and generate content based on them. This can be a great way to streamline your content creation process or to come up with new ideas for blog posts, social media posts, or even marketing materials. Suppose I have a lot of photos that I've taken after a vacation and I need to generate some captions. So all I need to do in Bard is type out generate captions for my vacation photos. I wait and automatically there are a lot of captions that I can use. Sun, sand and sea. I'm in paradise, living my best life on vacation. Another day in paradise and all those things. The same way, suppose I have an email and I need to get a reply for it. This is an email that came to me from a mutual funds company which required me to register for a nominee. That particular email into Bard and I type a prompt, type a reply for this. I enter and automatically it gives me a reply. Now the reply may not be perfect, but at the same time, here the nominee is given as my spouse. I could change it to my daughter or whatever it is. But whatever it may be, the reply for my email has come automatically. So all I need to do is tweak in a few points into this. Bard is also wonderful to elevate your writing projects. Now let's see how this can be used. For example, Bard can be used to assist with various writing tasks such as emails, cover letters, blog posts, and business plans. Bard can even help you brainstorm ideas, organize your thoughts, and even write the first draft of your content. It is great for adjusting tones and styles for different purposes. For example, you could use Bard to write a formal email in a professional tone or a creative blog post in a more casual. So in the prompt, I write an email requesting my friend to come over for evening tea. My prompt is write an email requesting my friend to come over for tea today evening. So it just thinks about it. And here, this is the email requesting my friend to come over. So all I need to do is add my friend's name and then the email is given to me. I need to I need to put in my name and there goes. Thus, Bard is a powerful tool that can be used to boost your productivity and creativity. I encourage you to explore Bard for your own projects and tasks, and I'm confident that you will be amazed at what it can do. Embrace the immense possibilities with Bard. Happy barding.